we got one of these automatic litter pans that like scoops itself because I'm tired of scooping the cat's poop. And inside here is this green part is where the instructions are. I guess this is some kind of rake or something. I don't know. Some sort of filter. And some bags for the poopy. So here's how you put it together. First step, you get the motor piece and you push this lever down. This is the clutch lever. Now you line it up on this rail here. So there's a little kind of slot. It slides in there. So you slide it. And then there's an arrow, a little mark right there, an arrow. So you just move it up to that. There's a little line right there, so you move it up to that, where the line is. Now you turn this clutch button back to the locked position. Now we take this part, put this on top of this thing. Turn this around, make sure that this part is right where it's supposed to be. So underneath here, there's like a white thing, which I think is supposed to be underneath the rail part. Alright, just push that down, and you hear it lock, and so you want this part to be up, locked. Now we're going to open this lid. We're going to put the rake piece. So this is the part that goes on this end. And this part is facing out. So there's a white thing here that you want to pull back. And then put the my fingers in the way. Put this out. Oh wait, I forgot. Actually, there's a hole that you want to line. I'm going to line that up into the hole first. And then you put that part down and you snap the white part over to hold the rake in. Now we want to put this part on the end. So this is the opposite end from the motor. And you basically just line this up and just slide it in there and it'll snap in. Then we want to plug it in, so here's the plug, and comes with wall plug. So you plug these two things in, you line up the little notches here, little notches things, and it's supposed to be a breakaway plug, but if you twist like this, then it doesn't break away, so I don't know. Underneath here is a little thing that, there's supposed to be something that comes with this that lets you, that you would pop into there to hold the cord in place, but it didn't come with this, so I don't know if it's missing a part or what, but I guess you can put it in, put that in there, and that will hold the cord in place or something. I don't know. It's probably not that important. Alright, the last step would be to take out what actually holds the pee and the poop. And it comes with plastic bags. Maybe there's like 5 bags or something. So you just put this, you put the plastic bag over this. And I guess there's a little slot here. And then you kind of push down all this and then put it into here. And I mean, I guess you could use like grocery bags too. So there's that. So, what do you think of your new litter pan that I've almost got set up for you? No comment? Okay. So then you want to fill it with litter, but there's like a line here that you don't want to overfill because it would put strain on the motor. So we'll fill it with some litter and then turn it on and see what it does. It also comes with a carbon filter for odors that you can install. That you can install right up in here. I put some litter in it, so now I'm going to hit the power button to turn it on. And there it goes. It is scooping. I'm probably going to put some poop from the other litter box in there just to see what it can do. There it goes. It has different modes, so the blinking light means it's cleaning, and then a red light means there's some kind of error or something. It has this like a sensor right here where it detects if the cat is in the litter box, and then once the cat leaves the litter box, there's like a 30-minute countdown, and then it starts scooping. Now we'll see how it handles some poop and some clump of pee. See what it can do here. My goodness, that almost fell out of the box, that turd. It's got a turd on the rake. Let's see if it can clean it up even more. This is kind of like the ASMR or ASRM or whatever it is, just watching this thing clean poop out of a litter box. Ah, see, you missed that piece of poop. So it's not perfect. It did miss that piece of poop right there. As well as this thing is like stuck on the rake, so I guess that's not its fault. Well, I guess we'll see how it works out and if it's able to keep the litter box clean. I have a feeling that I'm still going to have to scoop a little bit of poop, but maybe it'll reduce some of the poop and pee that I have to scoop. Okay, we've been using this for 2 weeks, this automatic litter box, and it's done a really good job of keeping the litter clean. Now, the only problems that we've had is sometimes stuff will get stuck to the rake here, which, I mean, I don't know what you can possibly do about that. There's not really much you can do. And sometimes stuff will get like out of the reach. The rake will kind of like push it up so that you know, it's stuck there. So sometimes stuff, you know, it doesn't get everything,
but it gets like 90% of the poop and the pee. And you know, for like a week I haven't had to scoop anything, you know? I mean, it's scooped all that. That's what it's scooped, all that poop and pee. So now I just need to dump this tray. So yeah, I would recommend this. It just makes your life so much easier when it comes to, you know, having a cat. Now the only thing, I don't know how long this motor will last. Hopefully it will last a while. But yeah, I would recommend this. So hopefully that was helpful. Thanks for watching.